Hi, I'm Brian.
And I'm Emily.
And we're Journeyman Handcrafts. We specialise in wax canvas and leather bushcraft gear. We've been operating now for about 7 years. Started as a hobby and we've just kept on sewing ever since. So we'll show you around and show you some of the products.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll just show you a couple of really popular products. These are our coffee pouches. We've been making these for, I think these are the second thing I ever made. We've got multiple different colours because people like to kind of mix and match, and they use it for the ingredients like flair if you're into baking, your coffee, your tea bags, that kind of thing. So we do multiple different colours, and they're all made in an 8-ounce wax canvas. All the canvas is made in Scotland, all the leather comes from local tanneries, and any of the brass work on our products is made in a local foundry in Warsaw. We're based just north of Cannock Chase. So I'll show you some of the backpacks we do. We've got an array of different ones, starting with, over here we've got the axe carry cases. These are for carrying a folding book saw and an axe all in one. Concept being, as you go to camp, then you can grab a separate bag which has got all your woodworking equipment in, throw it on your shoulder, walk to the woods and go and collect your firewood. Then we've got what we call the scout pack. It's just a small 15-litre day bag. It's got a little zip on the back pocket, keep your notepads or your little EDC stuff in there, and then 15 litres just for whatever you need. And then we've got our Wanderer pack, which is a 25-litre pack, 2 side pockets on the side, back sleeve down the back, and then you've got your kind of pig snouts on the bottom for carrying your blanket and whatever you need on top, maybe a jacket or a top, just for a small day pack. So those are just some of our smaller backpacks, and we've also got some bigger kind of 50-litre and 30-litre multi-day packs as well, which we haven't got here unfortunately. So this is some of our EDC stuff, just general pouches for general purposes. So starting off with pocket pouch, ideal for throwing into like a trouser pocket. And then you've got our zipper pouch, which is ideal for a cargo pocket. An array of those two normally works really well together for everything you need on a small basis. Then we do belt pouches in small and large, which have got press studs on the back. Again, EDC on the belt if that's how you like to roll. And then we've got what we call the possibles pouch. We've got them small, we've got them in small, we've got them in large. People like to use these for like their wash kits generally. And then we've got an array of leather work as well. So we do like the sheaths for Mora knives. We've got the spoon knives and all the different shoyd knives as well. So that's our leather work and our EDC kind of pouches for every day. So these are our blankets. We've done wax canvas and wool blankets for quite a few years now, but this is new this year. We brought in this new checked wool because people tended to start using them for picnic blankets as well as just the bushcraft scene. So we thought, why not do a picnic range? So we've got 4 different colours, all different coloured checked wool for whatever your preference is. I particularly like this one. This is more of a like bushcrafty colour, and then you've got one for the ladies and some other different colours there as well. So they're brand new this year. So that's a quick little overview of the store. You can find us at Journeyman Handcrafts on Instagram, journeymanhandcraft.com or .co.uk. We're a family run business. It's all made by me and my mum, like I said earlier, in Cannock Chase, very close to the forest. So come and check us out. I hope you like it, and check out some of our wax canvas gear. Thanks.